Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling prescriptions, doctor notes, and the medication itself. Do this now, not later. Keep medicines in original labeled bottles so TSA and airline staff can quickly verify them, and make sure your doctor's note names the generic medications and dosages. This avoids confusion. Place all needed doses in your carry-on, plus a spare day's supply in case of delays. Once done, separate temperature-sensitive items into an insulated pouch and confirm airport security rules for liquids and syringes. When you approach security, declare your medications and supplies out loud. This speeds the process and prevents surprises. Show labels and the doctor's note without being defensive, then place pills in clear zip bags for easy inspection. Explain injectables and syringes so agents know they're medical. Use a small travel cooler for temperature-sensitive injectables and pack extra syringes, alcohol swabs, and disposal caps in a separate pouch. Make sure devices like insulin pumps have their power plan and that airline staff see any special handling. On board, keep medications accessible under the seat in front of you so you can reach them during turbulence or delays. Place the travel cooler in the same area and monitor temperatures occasionally. Stick to your dosing schedule by setting alarms adjusted for time zones and document times if you cross midnight. If airline or security staff question your items, calmly present prescription labels and the doctor's note. If they still object, request a supervisor and remain polite. Tip: if a medication is lost, contact your doctor or local pharmacy immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.